Ki Nonghikai juga khasi Jantia Deficit School Teachers Association KJDSTA, bat ke Meghalaya College Non-Teaching Staff Employees Association MCNTEA. Kila mi no Jyndat nak Jingialang balakot da katenat puli puthi nak daw ba amsyam lakot lang yaki kenhu Nonghikai ba Nongtrei School Deficit na kilom garu. Ki Nonghikai jong kini ki arseng kila keno baka sorkar kam khen beriu satya yaki Nonghikai ba Nongtrei haki School Deficit. Kumta kila ong kani ka Jingialang kam dan jingmut ruem bat kila mi Jyndat no naka Jingialang. Ubabu Boswell Pala Presiden ka KJDSTA ula kentu ya katenat puli puthi ban penlong da kawai pat ka Jingialang hakaba baro ki basyak ta naka ni ka rai jang ka sorkar kindan lang ban yata bat ya ther jingmut da kaba bet bat basai.
One second ka meeting namar ba menin kadon katuka kaba mi hapo press mo hapo kikot Khubor hapo YouTube ba ka sorkar kan khot Jingialang yakini ki deficit teachers and employees ki Nongtrei deficit trong ki jala Meghalaya namar ba hana ba ka sorkar kamtip ki kita ki jinglang kita ki concerns jongi mo te ngiong to ka biang kata lada ka sorkar hadu mentah kampat tip te ka biang ngen tang ba pausen dangi yo ya ka tu ki shiti ngilap ba baro kini ki Nonghikai deficit kini ki Nongtrei deficit ki shakhot ka Garo Hills Deficit School Teachers and Employees Association ka klem shakhot ka Meghalaya College Non-Teaching Employees Association ka klem shakhot ki badai ki deficit te full deficit ko mangi tabalai kim shakhot tengis ngau lengo kan wat la kataru ngi ong ba okay la khot ka government ngin lai la kalai te ndala poi hang ni ki persyang ban shna kata ka khana ba kene ka scheme 2026 kadai ka babiang nang ta ba kadai kat kum kata ka act 1969 mari badai badang don por menta ngila ban yathu hapi daki phau tali ki point ba kene ka scheme 2026 kalong beain kam don nongrim mo kam long logical te kam dei ka bangin pediang khamtam hadien bala terwa hangi lengba ka notification lengba ka ching push na ka code ba ngin yo nagamta ka wai ka kanhon ki Nonghikai ki Nongtrei deficit ki ba appoint nadu chiterek April 2010 syakmat kin yo da ka NPS ka basisha ngin ong bai kumta ka NPS ka basisha ka contribution sya kata ka NPS account kadai 10% of basic pay NDA but katkum ka office memorandum hakwi ka por ngila ban IFP phila ban pek ba kadai ka pa pher bahana kini ka scheme 2026 ka ba ki persyang ban penbor ngi ban pediang nang ta na ka banta ki Nonghikai ki Nongtrei deficit ki ba nadu basdang komersyong no hadu kini ka 2010 April ngin yo da kata ka proper CPF CPF nang ta ka pisah jongi ken tap apo kata ka centralized provident fund account ya kata la sim ya ka pisah jongi la tap syata henry kensan ki pensange no te ya kene ka pisah jongi ngem tip ki modle ayu menta habang la tap syata ite ban penteri kam katkum katu ka scheme 2023 mo kapa batai ngi ba katu ka pisah kabangi tap apo ka account and invest no nang tanang tu ngin yo ya ke pension kan mo te henry menta kansan pada ki penkela te kidau ki babun ki la abanai ngilong ki mentan ru ba loda phi ko aban batai khamta menta ba kadang don apo ko ta batai ko kam lei ngim don ni ai ban ong halor kata mo henry ngi kwa ban ong bet ba kani ka scheme 2026 kalong be ain but kam don nongrim halor kaat 1969 only MCTA and only KJDSTA GHDSTEA the Garo Hills Deficit School Teachers and Employees Association and the Meghalaya College Non-Teaching Employees Association. The next course, we will have to wait. I hope that meeting happens soon between us, the deficit teachers and employees, and the government. And we hope we can press home the point that what we are asking is only legal is only logical. So do not substitute what we were supposed to get. As I told earlier in the press conference, that the process for that proper NPS, the process for the implementation of that Central Provident Fund scheme, uh, out of which was born that scheme of 2023, was on. So you cannot just block that process and then bring up a totally different scheme. So we will keep talking to them, and we will keep talking to them in the ways that democracy allows. The government itself is not waiting for the verdict of the High Court. It is forcing us to register for this scheme of 2026. So, with that tension in our hearts, with that anguish in our minds, we say, please stop this, please stop this. But then something is amiss somewhere, really, for the government not to see that what we are asking it to do is only legitimate. The groups, I think the BOT members, if I look at the letter, the BOT members, the bank officials, you would be surprised. When it is a meeting for us to share our concerns with the government, bank officials would be there. No, we know what is NPS. We know other things regarding CPF and so on. So really, it is a misfit for the government to call the bank officials, and then the BOT members. Sir Mantri just said that the BOT members of the newly constituted board of trustees. I really do not know them. I was not aware of this. I was not really aware of this because I still stick to that legal BOT with its bylaws, with its registration, and so on and so forth. That was done back in 2023.
All the teachers walked out.
No, from MCTA, the president and secretary came. From KJDSTA, the president and secretary came, and we came out because there was no point. There was no point. We want them to listen to our concerns. That's all.